Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to make another quick video. It's going to be 3 small clips all put together because I have a Pfaff 130 I'm working on, and I put a new belt on it and it was making a really weird noise. So the clips you're going to see is the original video showing what was wrong with the machine, what it was doing. Then I adjusted a nut on it and it stopped the noise, but it made a different noise. And then I figured out my clutch nut was missing, and I will show you real quick what a clutch nut is so you know what I'm talking about. But when I put that clutch nut back in and tighten that nut back up, hang on, let me see if I can reverse you here. It stopped doing it. Okay, I'm going to have to do another quick video on it. Okay, this right here, focus camera, is your clutch nut. That thing had fell out, okay? And when I first started messing with it, that nut right there, I had loosened it to see if the belt was slipping. And after I tightened that clutch nut back up and then tightened this nut back up, it quit doing it. So, okay guys, I tried to upload all 3 of the videos, but the one video of it making the original noise, what I did was I recorded it while on YouTube, straight up to YouTube. So I didn't save it in my video on my camera. So what it was doing was it would go a little while and then go or it actually sounded like a farting noise, and I thought maybe I'd have to give it some gas medicine, you know, but it would go, as long as I was going slow it was fine, but when I sped up to make the foot move faster it would go So anyway, that's what it was doing. The first video of the actual machine running, you can see it's dragging really, really bad. And that was with me putting it on high. And what I had done was I had loosened up the belt too much. So there wasn't enough pulling there. So it was dragging. It was going like I was going slow on high. But anyway, but when I tightened that screw back up, I keep calling it a nut in the video, but, you know, I'm the only nut there is. It's a clutch screw is what it is. It's just, they call them a set screw. But, and then this, when I tighten up that screw down below that I show you in the one video, that made that noise go away, and then it started dragging real bad. And then you'll see in the next video, I tightened up that clutch set screw and the screw on the machine that goes and holds the motor and tightens the belt, and then it started running right. So this is gonna be kind of choppy, but you know, if I answer your question, I don't think people really care. So anyway,